go. So I just sold my entire position size on DGAS. I actually started today in the red, and you guys could actually see that right on over here. I was trading live with the Learn Plan Profit Group, but even with the Learn Plan Profit Group, I went from red to green, and then now altogether exceeding my overall goal. So I actually came back from an $800 loss. I started trading at 638 was my first trade, and it's 808 as you guys just saw me sell. All my positions closed. Again, DGAS 1342. I'm going to quickly explain to you guys exactly what it is that I saw and why I decided to sell. Again, a friendly little reminder, just because I trade something doesn't mean that you should. But overall, again, I have such a big focus on overall direction. When natural gas sells off, DGAS goes up. If you don't understand that correlation, take time to understand that, right? And because overall natural gas is a descending pattern, meaning that it's continuously selling off, I have a big focus on direction. So when the market opens at 6:30 a.m. here in Arizona. And as it opened, I took a position on DGAS since it looked a little bit more on the overbought side. Again, if natural gas is selling off and then natural gas recently pushed up and it's at a resistance based off of previous patterns, it makes sense on why it could pull back. Well, when I originally got in, it pulled back, I was up, and then it quickly changed direction. I ended up having to cut losses, and yeah, right? But then again, we went back into breaking below the EMA line and then selling off, and all I did was the more that it sold off, the more that I added more to my position size on DGAS, because when natural gas sells off, DGAS goes up. Why did I lock in profits where I did? Because based off of previous support levels, again, patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't have to. I just wanted to play it safe. I already exceeded my daily goal, and I'm so grateful, right? I'm aware of previous support levels, and as we're approaching a previous support range, I just wanted to do my part. Can this thing continue to sell off? Can it sell off to 1.64? Can it sell off to 1.60? Of course, anything can happen. I'm not here to be a hopeful trader. I'm here to trade based off of patterns that I've already seen. And if I can, if natural gas continues to sell off, I can continue to get into DGAS and ride the wave. But altogether, I wanted to do my part in getting in when it made sense, getting out when it changed directions, because again, with this market volatility, there could be very quick changes of direction, but I felt like I did a very, very good job overall doing my part as a trader to get in when it makes sense and then lock in profits when it makes sense. And again, that's what led to my overall success. $1,300 profit on the day. And this is a perfect reminder for everyone out there that, you don't need to trade crazy things. I mean, the market is absolutely insane right now. There's a lot of volatility. And again, with great opportunity comes great responsibility. And you just have to make sure that you do your part in managing your risk, right? Just like I did. But also that when you do see an opportunity to present itself, that you stay patient, cool, calm, and collected, and that you add more to your position size when it makes sense. So very thankful, very blessed. I hope that I earned your thumbs up on this video. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, feel free to direct message me on Discord and Discord only. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That's going to be provided for you down below. And if you guys would like to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, be sure to click that second link down below, learn a little bit more about the Learn Plan Profit Group, and see if being able to watch me trade live every morning would be something that would be a good fit for you. Like always, team, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.